Tired of manually inputting your financial data into Google Sheets and ready to unlock automated insights? Let's dive right into connecting Plaid to Google Sheets, starting by opening your Google Sheet and navigating to the Extensions menu at the top. Click on Addons and then select Get Addons to open the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the Marketplace, search for Plaid. You might see a few options, so look for one specifically designed for Google Sheets. Once you've found the right one, click on it and then click the Install button to add it to your Google Sheets. You'll be prompted to grant permissions for the add-on to access your Google account and potentially your financial data. Read these carefully before proceeding. After installation, you'll usually find the Plaid add-on in a sidebar within Google Sheets. You might need to refresh the page or go back to the Extensions menu to find it. Follow the add-ons instructions to connect your bank account using Plaid's secure interface. You'll likely be guided through a standard Plaid authentication flow. Once connected, you can start importing your transaction data into Google Sheets. The add-on should provide options for specifying which data to pull and where to place it within your spreadsheet. Congratulations, you've now connected Plaid to Google Sheets, automating your financial tracking and enabling powerful data analysis.